have already drawn some lines, I will tell you how to draw the lines again. Okay, so you all know how to draw a border of 1 centimeter? Fantastic. So you will draw a border of 1 centimeter. Okay, so can you fatafat se draw a border of 1 centimeter, everybody? Now, after you have drawn a border of 1 centimeter, take your ruler, okay, and from this point to this point, two opposite points. One point on the top, left top, and then the right bottom point. Okay, these are called intersections. What is it called? Intersections, correct. Yes. So we are going to draw a diagonal line from this point to this point. So you're going to keep your ruler from this point to this point and you're going to draw a diagonal line. Okay, after you have drawn this side ruler, line, I was going to say ruler, you will join the other 2 points, the right top with left bottom intersection point. Okay? So like this, then like this. Okay? So you get an X inside your borders. Yeah, please erase it. Now after we have got an X, we have a place where X is meeting. We have a center point. Right? Now you're going to keep your ruler in such a way that it crosses the center point of the X. And you will be drawing a standing straight line from your top of the border to the bottom of the border. Yes, beta. Let's draw a horizontal sleeping line, straight sleeping line. So again we will place our ruler near the center point and then from the left side of the border we will start and we will go till the right side of the border. Right? Exactly. So you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 triangles of different shapes, of different forms. Right? Alright. So I have already drawn here X. Okay. Now we have how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's start drawing some designs. First pattern that we will draw on the top part, okay, on the top part we have 2 center and 2 corners, right? So in the left hand side first triangle, we will draw random rounds. Big rounds, small rounds, randomly. I want you all to fill up the entire triangle, only this triangle, with these kind of rounds. It can be small, big, make a mix of small and big circles or rounds or sphere. And don't make too many, okay? Leave some space between them. Chalo, now let's move to the triangle beside the triangle in which we drew the circles. Now in this one, we will just draw horizontal lines like this. No problem. You will just okay, you will just draw horizontal lines like this. Yes, but without ruler, okay? This will be a freehand line, freehand drawing. Okay? In the triangle beside that, we will draw, see from the center point, pay attention here, okay? From this point, we will draw a line, a little diagonal kind of line like this. It is correct. No, sorry, I'm not changing. Okay, then a line from here like this. Then again from center, a line like this. All together, you will draw 4 lines inside. Okay, 4. Yes. Now in this one, we will just draw 2 lines like this. 1, 2. And we will draw some curved line like this. Okay, and then from here like this. And from on this side, okay. Now in the 5th triangle, let's move to the 5th triangle. Now in this, we will draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And they can go in any direction. But it has to start from the last line. Okay? So what I would tell you all right now is you all just draw a little bit of it in each triangle so that you know what needs to be done in each triangle. Okay? Because see, I have to draw faster, na? Because if I don't draw fast, then to problem. Isn't it? Okay, so like this, you're going to fill this up completely. Okay, now we will move to the 6th triangle. Okay, in the 6th triangle, let's try little curvy lines. Okay, now the curvy lines will start from here. Let's go little S kind of lines. And do leave little gaps between the lines. Do not draw them very close. Because if you draw them close, you will not be able to fill in color inside that, or you will not be able to shade them. Okay? Now once these curvy lines are over, we will move to the 7th one. And in the 7th one, we will draw some flower petals. So, you will draw a curvy line like this from the center line. you will draw a curvy S or a swirly S line, and then just draw petals like this. One, then one this side, then one this side. Petals can be thin, can be fat, can be of any size, but they should look like petals or balloons, because my petals are looking more like balloons. Okay, and you can just draw some small rounds or circles near the petals. Okay, now we are left with the last petal, last triangle. It is correct, yes. Now we are left with the last triangle. Now in last triangle, let's go with last triangle. Let's make a little mix of some 2-3 drawings, some 2-3 designs. So 1, 2, 3, then again 1, 2, 3. So we will make 3 times, we will make these 3 lines, and see how far I have drawn the lines. Right? Now let's join them with those straight lines that we did over here. Okay? Again 1, 2 and 3, and again 1, 2, 3. Now let's make some S curvy lines in this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and let's make these one. Let's fill this place with this, and in between 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 1. Okay? Got it, everybody? So this is how your drawing will look like.